What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate YouTube title, thumbnails and descriptions and even tags for your videos using VidIQ. So once you're inside the VidIQ app, guys, you can easily go ahead and generate a title, description, and tags for your videos by over create on the left hand side. You can also find create from the app section on the upper right. Just go ahead and look for where it basically says generate. Click on that and it's going to take you over here where you can quickly go ahead and generate. Now, I have something that I already use, and you can always reuse from what you have. Otherwise, you can go ahead and you can delete these options and to look just like this. Now, all you have to do is just simple type in your idea. So let's say I want to create idea of how to use VidIQ, right? So I will go ahead and I will click generate on the right hand side, and it's going to come up with a fresh unique title and video description and tags for my videos, right? And I always try to look for the best tags, and that's what I really love about that. It also try to create thumbnails for you. So if you scroll down, you will see that it creates some thumbnails for me, and it normally generates 3 thumbnails. If you need to get more into a script for the video, you can see that it actually creates a script as well, and you can continue to generate a script for the video until you're satisfied. If you're not satisfied with this output or this results, you can always click on regenerate, and it's going to try to regenerate for you. As you can see, it regenerates all new titles, thumbnails and tags, even the video description. As you can see, it always try to generate. And that's it, guys. That's how to easily go ahead, how to create YouTube video title, thumbnails, tags and description for your YouTube videos using VidIQ. Very easy and very simple. Use the power of AI to generate everything within seconds, guys.